Tiny Godzilla's Big Adventure. A tiny Godzilla and his mom live in a cozy cave, hidden beneath towering grass and giant mushrooms. Tiny Godzilla peeks outside, curiously. One day, a tiny Godzilla wandered too far from home. He was curious about the glowing fireflies dancing in the sky, so he chased them deep into the forest. But when he turned around, oh, everything looked different. A tiny Godzilla was lost. Everything in the forest seemed huge. A butterfly flapped its wings like a giant dragon, and a tiny drop of water felt like a pond. Tried to roar for help, but his voice was just a little squeak.
"Don't worry, little one,"
said a friendly ant marching by.
"We'll help you find your way."
With his new, tiny bug friends, Tiny Godzilla went on a big adventure. They rode on a leaf boat, swung on spider silk, and even used a mushroom cap as an umbrella when it rained. They reached the mystic flower and walked along the forest. With a friendly ant help, he found his way back home, excited to tell his family about his biggest little adventure ever.